Hello and welcome to this tutorial on Kotlin programming language for beginners. If you are new to programming or looking to learn a new language, then Kotlin is a great choice. Kotlin is a modern programming language that targets both the JVM Java Virtual Machine and JavaScript. It was developed by JetBrains, the same company that develops the popular Intelli IDEA. Kotlin is designed to be concise, expressive, and safe. It is fully interoperable with Java, which means you can use Kotlin and Java together in the same project. It is also fully supported by Google for Android development. Let's start with the basics. To install Kotlin, we need to first install the Java JDK Java Development Kit. Once we have Java installed, we can then install Kotlin through the command line or use an IDE that supports Kotlin. Here's an example of a simple Hello World program in Kotlin. In this example, the function then uses the println function to print the string Hello World to the console. As you can see, Kotlin is a very concise language. Many common programming tasks can be done with less code in Kotlin compared to Java. Kotlin also supports many modern programming features such as lambdas, extension functions, and null safety. These features make code more expressive and easier to read. Overall, Kotlin is a powerful and versatile programming language that is great for beginners and experts alike. I hope this tutorial has given you a good introduction to Kotlin and its features. Thanks for watching and happy coding!